Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to explore 6 web apps that can be used on Apple iPads. I focused on iPads because that is the main device that is used in my classroom. While exploring iPad apps that support Bloom's taxonomy, created by Kathy Shook, I came across a number of great apps that support collaborative learning and critical thinking skills. Let's begin with Google Expeditions. Google Expedition is a great tool to use in the classroom for virtual field trips. I thought this was a great experience for students to take into the classroom. Google Expedition offers 900 virtual reality expeditions. This can be used through a mobile device or an iPad or Chrome OS. Another great tool to use for applying these skills is Google Earth. Through Google Earth, students can explore Earth and its different locations. For example, we are learning about James Oglethorpe in 2nd grade. He was an explorer from London, England. So students can type in London and Google Earth will zoom in to the location. Students can then explore points of interest within London. For example, Big Ben. They can fly in and they will get a street view of where Big Ben lies and what is around it. Another great tool that our county provides is Classlink. Through Classlink, students have apps that are organized into different elements. For example, if I click in Microsoft Office 365, students have access to OneNote. Through OneNote, students can then record, capture, and organize their research. With our Classlink, students' OneNote is connected to their information, so they have access to their notes anywhere, at home, at school, on multiple devices. This helps students to organize their notes and remember facts that they are researching. Another great app for organization and understanding is Padlet. This, I felt, was a great tool to use in elementary because it provides visual graphic organizers that the students can create. Once students have organized their thoughts, either through OneNote or through Padlet, students then can begin creating videos. They can then begin to show their understanding through videos and presentations. What I love about clips is that if you were to record a video, students have the opportunity to see their speech turned into animated titles or captions. Through clips, they are able to then edit their photos and edit their presentation slides using a variety of posters. Once students have then created, researched, and applied their understanding, they can then publish their work to our Class Weebly page. This is a great app that I thought would be important to implement into the classroom so that they are able to reach a more global audience. So, it's your time to explore. Using these great apps in your classroom,